Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can delete playlists on YouTube. To begin, open your YouTube app. And then right here at the bottom you can see You. Just tap on this icon. It will then direct you to your profile page. And then right here you can see the history and then playlist. Now just tap on the playlist that you want to remove or delete. You can also tap on View All to see all of your playlists. Now as you can see right here, these are the playlists that you've created. So now for example this one, I want to delete this, so now just tap on that. It will then direct you here. So now what I'm going to do is that you can see these three dots right here. Just tap on that and then you can see Remove from Like Videos. So now just tap on that to remove that onto your playlist. So what we're going to do is to remove those videos one by one. So for example, this one, I want to remove this, remove that, and then all of that will be removed. So basically your playlist will be removed. And that is how you can delete a playlist right here on YouTube. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!